Hello, I'm Jody LaPointe. I'm a technical service specialist at Coburn Supply Company. In today's video, we'll be discussing programming electric air handler Bluetooth control boards. Start off by opening the app on your device. Then we want to check for updates. We do have a video in our video library that shows you how to update your device to the most current version. Click on the Service tab, then the Bluetooth Service and Repair. The air handler will come up and populate a serial number, but we do not want to pick that. We're going to say we don't see our product. So click I don't see my product, then click Enter Manually. Enter the serial number of your air handler here. The next screen will pull up the model number of the air handler. Just check it to be sure that it is correct. And then we want to check the model and serial number on this screen to make sure everything is what you put in and is correct. Next, we'll power down the unit by unplugging the green plug from the board. If you're going to replace the control board, do so at this time. If not, if you're just reprogramming the board, then click Continue and bypass this step. Now we will power the unit back up by plugging in the green plug. You'll get a 15-second countdown while the unit powers up. Then you'll get this screen reminding you replacement controls do not have serial numbers. And you'll get this screen here when you hit Continue. Again, you can see there's no serial number there. Once the board powers up, it will start loading the serial number and all the particulars to the board that's in the app. When you see the model and serial number pop up, your board has been programmed. You may click Done at this time. Thank you for watching. Check out all of our other videos at www.coburns.com or on our Coburns Connect app. Thank you. Have a great day.